This is your moment to show, to prove that you are deserved to be the champion. Prioritize yourself, build a solid team, and reach a victory. In this event, we provide you a room in some fair games and competitions. A Zahra Great Festival has come back with the theme Dare You to Excel. Prepare yourself, for there will be 29 competitions in it for kindergarten students, elementary school students, and junior high school students. In addition to competitions, we also provide some bazaars, edu-fair, and festival that are beyond exciting. We will also hold the biggest Olympiad in Lampung province. February 23rd until 24th, save the date and show your capability. A Zahra Great Festival, dare you to excel.